Grafting tomato into sweet potatoes plant. The tomato is produced by grafting together a tomato plant and a sweet potato plant. Tomato plants have been seen as a new technology to make food production more efficient, as they maximize the amount of crops that can be produced on a piece of land or in a small urban environment like a balcony. This has significant impacts on developing countries like Kenya, where farmers can save on space, time and labor without affecting the quality of their produce by growing tomato plants. In addition, grafting can improve resistance to bacteria, viruses and fungi, attract a more diverse group of pollinators and provide a sturdy trunk for delicate ornamental plants.